Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about another view that you're going to use in your SwiftUI app often is called label. Yesterday we talked about text to show a different kind of text in your view, and today I'm going to talk about label. So let's have a look at the view label. So you're going to use label where you want to show an image and a text together. It would make it easier to show them together, which is usually a very generic requirement in your designs. So we can say this is our my favorite hero is Flash, and let's see if we have something called bolt. So we have bolt SF symbol. So this is your SF symbol explorer. So let's say let's use bolt.fill. So once you use bolt.fill, and let's review, as you can, this is filled, and Flash is usually known for red color. Let's try and set the foreground color red. Okay, so this is fine, but it has set red color to both my image and my text. But I just want my Flash system image or my icon to be red. So let's see what other options we have with label. We can choose this option where we can specify our title and an icon as separate views. So my title is going to be same Flash, and this time I'm going to use an icon as an image with the system name, and let's say it was bolt.fill, and this time I just want my image to be of color red. So that way you can change just the icon style, and I want my Flash to be a bit larger, so large title. So now you can customize your text and your image separately. Next requirement could be based on some situation. You might just want to show a label and you want to show an image. So what we can do is we can just go here and say label style. So we have icon only, title and icon, and title only. So let's say icon only, and in that case it will only show the icon. So that's how you can control whether you want to show icon or icon and label, or just the icon or just the title for your label. The next thing that you can do is, if let's say you have different kind of labels in your designs, so you don't want to apply all these configurations, your different fonts and your colors to all the different labels that you're going to use in your app. You can create a custom configuration similar to this one for your labels, and then use those everywhere in your app. So let's try and create a configuration. So let's try and create a configuration. I am going to call it my requirement is I want to show text first and then icon. So I'm gonna call it title first, label style, and this will be derived from label style. So it will implement label style protocol. Let's go and see what's the requirement of this protocol. So this is a label style protocol, and it's need a view, a function make body, which is going to return a view. So when we say view builder, means we need to return a view here. So let's start typing that function make body, right? And here what I want to do is I want to do h stack, and I want to say configuration dot title first, and I want to apply font maybe headline, and after that I want to show my icon with foreground color red. So that's my style is created, but now I want to apply that style here. So what I can do is I can do title first style. So once I do that, you can see that my style is now applied on the label. So title is first and then my icon is second. I want to improve a little bit more on this one, and I want to use my style similar to how this icon only is applied. So let's go and see what this icon only is. So icon only is an extension on the label style, and it's just a static property which returns. So I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here, and replace the parts that I know that I need. So I want to return this guy from here, and from here I will be returning an object. Let's rename this to title first style, or just say title first. And then when we come back here, we can say dot. Now I have another style here in the list, which is title first. Keep in mind that all these implementation that I'm doing are iOS 16 plus. If you are working with any previous version of the OS, these might be different for you. This is how you can create a custom configuration for different kind of labels that you might have in your app, and then rather than just applying different style to your images and your titles around the app, you can just create custom configurations and apply them. The other thing you can do is you can use custom images within your label. So if we see label, so you can use an image as well, which can be an image that you imported to your assets. I would encourage you to import an image and use it in your label and see how it works. This is all about the label view I wanted to talk about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.